Okay, so another little trick that actually makes rethreading these back through the holes very easily is just one of these little metal nail files with the tip, with like the point, like the rounded point. I guess you could use a sharp point, but whatevs. One of these little metal nail files. Because these things, they can be a real pain getting out, but threading it back through the hole. You can use the tool to better assess where it's actually meant to go. And really, you don't need to use much force. If you use too much force, definitely it's gonna like cut through. It probably cut through that that thread right there. But just to kind of like use it to just inch it. Into a place, and you just gently sorry, I am doing this one-handed, so. Or, you know, like a very thin flathead screwdriver. Shoot. Let's go do that. It's a Phillips. Ideally, probably want to use like a thinner one, but you know, it's the same basic concept. At this point, it's mostly threaded through. You can just grab it on the back. Ta-da! Makes life a little bit easier. Hope that helped. Enjoy. Good night.